In this video I'm going to show the engine details and wiring details of the YS200 side-by-side. I've done some videos on this machine in the past. I've had a couple comments over the last about 6 months about wiring and wiring diagrams. So I'm just going to do the video on only the wiring and engine detail. So I'm going to bring the camera in up close, kind of pan around from both sides and the back. So if someone has a wiring problem or a CDI problem, hopefully this video will show you exactly how your wiring is supposed to be. This unit is bone stock. I've never touched the wiring. It's exactly the way it came out of the factory. So I'm going to bring the camera in up close and show you the details. Alright, so this is going to be the driver's side. As you can see, that's where the battery is. So you can kind of go detail from there. Got a little fuse right there. And I'm just going to zoom in a little bit so you guys can see the wiring. Comes up to the top of the engine. And I'm working my way around to the back side. Now I'm kind of just about on top of the engine, still from the back. And I'm going to go around to the back side. Alright, so here's looking straight at the back. Got your brake light wiring right there. And now I'm going to go around to the passenger side. Now I'm on the passenger side looking straight into the motor. You've got your coil right there, spark plug wire. And in case you're doing any carburetor work, I'm just going to set the camera on the carburetor there. Like I said, this unit is bone stock. I've never touched anything. And I'm going to crawl in underneath and just do a shot from the ground looking up. There's from the ground. Looking straight up, you can see your brake, the chain. And over there you got your oil cooler, oil filter. Alright, so if you're doing any engine work or engine electrical work, hopefully this video will kind of show you what the wiring and everything looks like right out of the factory. You can get your unit put back together. Hope you found this video informational, and I thank you for watching.